एक साथ में आ जाओ, चल घुसा उधर अपने आदमी ऐसा ए बाबा ए चल तिगड़े ए बेटा 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 थोड़ा नीचे मोबाइल नीचे करो तुम लोग यार।
मोबाइल एक्सक्यूज मी रिजर्व
सब रिजर्व चल रहे भाई,
रिजर्व चल रहा है।
ए इधर देख जोमेटो
बबलू भाई रिजर्व
वासिम भाई थोड़ा दो ना
जोमेटो जोमेटो ए जोमेटो ए खाना नहीं खाया हुआ है।
खाना खाया
बोला आज अरे चले यार
खाना खाया
जाना जाना तू जाना।
आवडते बोला आवडते बोला चलो आई एम हैप्पी नो पब्लिक
हाँ
The power of the media now to play that role and tell people that please don't go and see just one film, don't go and see just two films, please go see all three films because we need that. Well, see an Abhishek Banerjee film first. but the fact is, please support all three films. It's a lovely time in the year. The rains reduce a little. It's our 77th Independence Day. It's an important time for us to all come together and enjoy this wonderful experience called cinema. I mean, the fun that is to watch it on a screen, the smell of the popcorn. I mean, we've all talked about it and we romanticize it. But I mean, to really experience it again and again, and to have three great films to do that. Please watch all the films. That's what I would say. I'm speaking like a producer, but I'm also talking like a movie goer. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I think we'll wrap this up right now. We're going to do some pictures right now, please. Yeah. If you all could all stand, we'll take all the mics.
एक कुर्सी हटा लीजिए। कृष्णा बेटा शांत बैठो।
Backstory that I had to build. It was not just about the language, not just about boxing, not just about anything else. Because ये जो कहानी होती है ना, हर कहानी फिल्मों में कहीं बीच में से शुरू होती है, लेकिन हम किसी की जिंदगी प्ले कर रहे होते हैं और इस जिंदगी के अगर वेदा 16-17 साल की है तो उसने 16-17 साल जिए हैं, वो कैसे जिए हैं, तो वो सब पे काम करना, तो वो मेरा प्रेप रहा है और आई वुड से कि मुझे इससे ज़्यादा मज़ा कभी नहीं आया है प्रेप करने में, इवन दो दिस अ वेरी वेरी टफ स्टोरी, लेकिन एज एन एक्टर आई हैव ऑलवेज जस्ट वांटेड टू प्ले समथिंग लाइक दिस एंड आई अगेन आई वुड से थैंक यू टू निखिल।
हेलो मैडम, हाय जॉनसन हियर, जॉनसन हियर ऑन द लेफ्ट।
अभी वो कमाल कर पाएगी और वेदा को इतने लंबे अरसे के बाद हमने साइन किया, इसकी यूएसपी क्या लगती है आपको?
रिपोर्टर आई डोंट नो अभी उसका जवाब कैसे दूं, लेकिन आई जस्ट टेल यू विद ऑल ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट टू पाटला हाउस और जो भी हमने साथ में करा, आई थिंक वेदा इज द बेस्ट फिल्म दैट निखिल एंड आई हैव डन टुगेदर. इट्स आउटस्टैंडिंग. और मैं सच बोल रहा हूँ कि एंड आई एम रिपीटिंग अगेन कि एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई ट्राई एंड एक्सप्लेन टू जितने सारे हमारे स्टूडियोज है, मार्केटिंग पीपल है, एंड आई ट्राई एंड एक्सप्लेन द नाइसेस्ट पॉसिबल वे. गिव ऑल क्रेडिट टू जी, दे आर फैंटास्टिक टीम. लेकिन मैं सबको बोलता हूँ कि इफ योर फिल्म इज नॉट गुड, नो अमाउंट ऑफ मार्केटिंग विल हेल्प द फिल्म. तो मैं बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ और मैं स्टेज पे बोल रहा हूँ सबके सामने, वेदा इज अ डैम गुड, इट्स अ वेरी गुड फिल्म और चलेगी. कितना चलेगी मुझे पता नहीं. वेदा इज गॉट निखिल अडवाणी एज डायरेक्टर, इज गॉट अभिषेक बैनर्जी, इट्स गॉट शर्वरी वाह, इट्स गॉट फैंटास्टिक एक्टर्स इन दिस फिल्म जो यहाँ बैठे हैं हमारे साथ. Outstanding. Please, I mean, if you can just please stand up and everybody just. The film is not complete without all of them. Cinematography, action, Malay, Amin Bhai, and a lot of other things. The film का जो USP is everything. It's not just one thing. And it's a और मैं on record करना चाहता हूँ. It's I am also half Parsi. Please understand. कि जो बुरा है मैं बुरा बोलता ही. Because I don't care. Veda is a good film. It's a very good film.
जॉन सर मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे है. सबसे पहले तो कंग्रेचुलेशन बधाई, बहुत अच्छा आपका ट्रेलर है, बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है. लेकिन लगातार आप की सत्यमेव जयते आई, उसका पार्ट 2 आया, पठान भी हमने देखी, बहुत अच्छा बिजनेस किया. लेकिन ये देखने में आ रहा है कि लगातार आप एक ही तरह का रोल कर रहे हैं, खास तौर से एक्शन पे ध्यान दे रहे हैं. तो ऐसा क्यों है? कुछ नया लाइए ना सर. मैं नहीं अभी तो नहीं देखी, लेकिन ट्रेलर से अंदाज हो गया.
Can I call out bad questions and idiots?
सर मुझे टेलर से अंदाज होगा कि वो उसी तरीके का जैसा.
नहीं, मैं तो आपको सिर्फ डायरेक्टली कहना चाहता हूँ कि ये फिल्म अलग है मेरे हिसाब से. तो आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी इंटेंस परफॉर्मेंस जो मैंने करा है एंड ऑफकोर्स आपने फिल्म देखी नहीं है, ट्रेलर देखा है, फिल्म देखिए आप, उसके बाद आप जज कीजिए एंड देन आई एम ऑल योर्स, whatever you say, whatever you say, huh? But if you are wrong, I'm going to turn you around and tear you apart.
अच्छा रुको, पहले अपना नाम तो बता दो ताकि याद तो रहे। ठीक है सर,
नाम वो चेहरा देख लिया मैंने, नोट कर लिया। ओके,
शक्ल याद है, शक्ल याद है।
John, congratulations.
one second.
John, congratulations. You have upped your action game.
थैंक यू।
How much went into, while
So
upping the
honestly,
game?
this is just to I'm just trying to continue the answer there. This is actually not an action film. It's a very very emotional film. और जब भी आप देखोगे आपको पता चलेगा, it's a very very emotional film. And
भैया बोलेगा
you
मारेगा
see
वो।
the film, you'll understand what I'm talking about. We can't speak so much about it. We've shown what we had to show. It's a beautiful emotional story, and I get moved sometimes when I see it on the edit. You get tears in your eyes. It's beautiful.
John, sir.
मचाओ भड़क जाएगा वो, पीटेगा तेरे को फिर।
मैम वेदा जो कहानी है वो एक बहुत ही ब्रेव लड़की की कहानी है, और जिसे एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा ब्रेव कोच मिलते हैं, और इट्स देयर
अभी उठ के पीटना जाए भाई।
जैसे आपने कहा कि मेरा जो
Action.
प्रेप रहा है वेदा के लिए,
एक्शन करो ना भाई।
of course this character demanded a lot from me because ये राजस्थान में सेट है, जिसके लिए भाषा का जो लहजा होता है वो आपको चेंज करना पड़ता है। जैसे जैसे कि हर किलोमीटर पे पानी बदलता है, वैसे भाषा भी बदलती है। तो आई थिंक कि एज एन एक्टर मैं हमेशा से बहुत हंग्री और ग्रीडी रही हूँ इस चीज़ को लेके।
I don't like fighting. I don't think it's the best way. On screen, yeah, a little bit of pulling steering wheels out and all that.
Literally. And you're an amazing animal lover. That's why I love you so much.
There's a lovely moment that I want to just quickly chat about. If I have 2 seconds, right?
All yours.
And I can't. Whatever we can say about John in this and his involvement in this film is less, because really at the end of the day, somebody of that stature and that kind of a star to basically come to the set and I say, John, today you're just standing. Standing and you're watching, just stand. And he just kept doing it. I remember at one point, I think we were at the 40th or 50th day, or 40th day of show, 30th day of show, something like that. And Shabari came to me and she said that, John today said, because it was the first day of action. And John said, now the film starts.
50 days in, I'm going to open out to questions, please. We've got mics, I think, over there. Can we get some chairs here? ताकि सब बैठे। बेटा उधर से ले आओ।
Just to all the cast, congratulations, Ritesh and everybody else.
Yes,
The
yes.
entire cast. Were fantastic in the film.
बैठने दीजिए।
Everything that I do, Bharti, is inspired by something or the other, right? And this is whether it's Mumbai Diary,
Please have a seat.
Mrs. Chatterjee versus Norway, whether it is Veda. Yeah, so it is, there are, I mean, it's not really one incident, but there are, and unfortunately there are so
About Nikhil, that he works like a madman. He does. He is a madman. But hats off to you, Nick. And so I have to say, firstly, Nikhil and our partner Madhu for fighting me on this and saying we're going to make this film.
She convinced you to call back after the Zoom call ended.
Completely.
Achha.
He called her directly and said, you know what, she doesn't know what she's talking about. So it works very well when you're 3 partners. But guess what? We have a 4th partner in this. And that's that guy standing at the end over there. You've talked about his muscles. Trust me, his brains work faster.
Oh yeah.
And he turned to these two and said, "Bas, ye karna hi hai. When is Monisha going on a holiday?" Okay. And I swear, I kid you not, Z wonderfully came into place and turned around and said, "Yes, where's Monisha? She's on a holiday." So full credit for Veda goes to everybody on the stage. I have to say that the part I've played is really small in this one. But I think the part that the public, the audience, our well-wishers are going to play is going to make a big difference, because it is a very important film. We've tried to make an entertaining film. You could see that. I mean, there's great action. What a team we have. Malay, who's done such an incredible job with the camera. I have to say this about Amin Bhai. Amin Bhai, foreign action director, एक तरफ, आप इस तरफ. I have to say this man has been with us, and every credit that we have comes from him. The team is a lot larger. I mean, there's many names that I'm not going to take over here, but I thought of these two because when I look at this, I think about the fact that what their teams have done to create this magic, Sully. So there you go. This is what we back. We back these guys.
Fantastic. Couldn't have said it better. But I had to add about it. I remember Munjia ke time mein, there was a little bit of stress. She was in my studio. Salil, it should work. It should work. ऐसा चल गया. Can you please tell us what you're eating? या what is the मंत्र जाप that you're doing? एक महीने से सिर्फ आपको ही आपको देखते जा रहे हैं. Big round of applause for her also. She just burst on the scene in a very short time. और हर एक एक्टर ये समझता है कि जब आपकी पहली फिल्म आती है तो शायद ऐसा ना करे जैसे आप चाहते हो और उसके बाद एक गैप हो जाता है. फिर धड़ाधड़ जब आने लग जाती हैं, you're just saying, wow, this is like Sachin Tendulkar hitting 50 and hundreds. So congratulations. But this is again a very different avatar. The assumption would be कि आप एक टाइप का ऐसा रोल पकड़ेंगे और बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं कर रहे हैं. तो जो आपने रूल बुक को बाहर फेंक दिया इसके बारे में जरूर बताएं.
My heart is pounding a little bit.
Now you should be used to it.
I'm also seeing this trailer in the theater with so many people and this kind of sound effects for the first time. So my heart is pounding. I touch here, you guys will hear my heart. But I'm just grateful actually at this point for everything that has happened so far. Like you said, of course, my journey has not been key. You know that your first film comes and then it doesn't work the way you wanted it to work. It's been a 3-year gap, like you said, so it's been a while. But a film like Veda, I just want to say thank you to Nikhil sir, the main person, the first person who's given me this film. And I just want to say thank you because this film has not, I think I found confidence in myself. When I was on this set, I have found confidence when he gave me this film because for an actor like me, it's important for a director like Nikhil sir to just believe in you. Forget the end product, forget what happens, etc. But the fact that he put his faith in me, that just means the whole world to me because that has changed everything for me. It has made me a different person. It has made me a different actor. And thank you.
I can genuinely feel the gratitude coming out right now, and I can see their relief also. I can also feel tears behind you. This is fantastic. You've done it. You've made it. This is brilliant. I know the wait can be really long, so congratulations. You deserve all the success.
Thank you so much to everyone also. Thank you so much.
Manisha, congratulations. Wow, you come out and you see the films and you say, okay, we've chosen topics, and we don't actually know anymore what works. I mean, even John himself as a producer has always been so brave. He could have done so many things that was so run of the mill over the years. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं किया उन्होंने भी. Something like this, sensitive films, you सही वक्त पर चलने लग जाती है. How are you feeling looking at it?
वो तो मेरे ही है यार. The main thing is 15th August को जब that's when we'll go on to the theaters and cinema hall, and then hopefully we'll not be able to hear the dialogues. But this is a very, very good title.
Absolutely, but this combination between you and John sir is always fantastic. And like I say, कई बार believable नहीं लगता है कुछ चीजें जब हम बड़े पर्दे पर देखते हैं. आप दोनों की जो chemistry है for action इतना believable लगता है. So the first time, कई बार हो चुका है. We've seen it on big screen also. What is this magic and how does this always happen?
Because I think when John hits something, it looks as if it's going to break. So I mean, Salim Saab told me one day, Salim Saab said that they created Amitabh Bachchan. Right, Salim and Javed, they created Amitabh Bachchan, and nowadays आजकल के जो हीरो है जब वो लोग गन पकड़ते हैं उनको चल जाएंगे. With John, it looks as if it's a part of his hand, right? And it's like, I mean, it's very. The important thing is how do we keep challenging him? How do we make it more difficult for him? How do we keep making it more and more difficult for him to do something which is like which is not done before? So yeah.
But John, you're just way beyond just the physicality of it. मुझे याद है कि हम लोग कई बार इसके ऊपर डिस्कशन कर चुके हैं. अब बॉडी है तो है, but you've gone way beyond that in the last many years. और बॉक्स ऑफिस पर चाहे सत्य में जयते हो चाहे बाटला हाउस हो वो भी चल जाती है. यू लर्न हाउ टू यूज दिस ब्यूटीफुल फिजिकलिटी
भाई सर आ रहे हैं.
एंड इट डजंट ओवरपावर द स्क्रीन विद दैट. वो है बाइसेप है तो है लेकिन पावर पैक भी बहुत परफॉर्मेंस हो जाती है. इज देयर आल्सो दैट स्पेशल अंडरस्टैंडिंग बिटवीन निखिल जब आप फिल्में बनाते हो उनके साथ भी